I'm Ren Clegg, President of CRM Products, also known as MicMaster. You're about to see some new concepts for products growing in popularity worldwide. We've been awarded several patents that will have major effect in the development of head-worn products. Holding handheld microphones while operating commercial trucks and machinery is both distracting and unsafe. Gripping and talking into a handheld microphone while handling steering and other control levers is impossible. With our hands-free system, you can drive and operate heavy machinery while you communicate. We've developed a safe and very reliable alternative to holding a microphone, and we've experienced success with this hands-free CB mic, selling more than 13,000 units all across North America. Our patents are utility patents as opposed to design patents. There's a big difference. A utility patent covers the mechanical function or inner workings of a device. A design patent only covers the size and shape aspect and is very easy to infringe or copy. Take a look at our patented technology and some of their potential. You don't just take any headset microphone and plug it into a two-way radio and talk. There must be an interface, a matchmaking hookup for interaction between the microphone and the radio. This is our universal adapter kit for mini microphone patent. It's a keying circuit and an interface between a wired headset microphone and a two-way radio. A remote push-to-talk button is for keying on the microphone when the user is ready to talk. Here's our original universal microphone adapter. Using Velcro, this button is placed on a gear shift knob or a joystick control lever where a vehicle operator can simply move a finger and talk. This patent was the first intellectual property granted to us for a new style ear hook boom microphone, one that drivers could wear which was easy to put on and adjustable to the needs of different users. It's simple to put on and take off and can be worn for long periods of time. From wearing eyeglasses to a variety of ear sizes, fit and comfort isn't a concern. We built in unique adjustability that provides both comfort and ease of operation. Here's our original ear hook boom microphone. What led us to develop our own microphone? Good question. We were concerned with the legality of headset products that were available, and so we contacted the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation in Harrisburg. An administrator there told us that it was illegal to wear any headset of any kind while operating a motor vehicle, and they gave us Title 75 of the Pennsylvania Motor Vehicle Code as proof. At that time, we were well down the path of perfecting our keying circuit and needed a microphone that a driver could wear. Our original plan was for a stationary microphone to be placed on the vehicle's sun visor or somewhere near the driver, but not on the driver. Using a remote microphone in noisy vehicles didn't work out, so we began researching head-worn microphones, thus our inquiry into motor vehicle laws. Our concern for legality ended up being for little reason. While we were researching and getting legal opinions, Pennsylvania was busy amending Title 75 and making it legal to cover one ear while driving. We didn't find this out, though, for some time and continued developing as if covering or plugging the ear were a major concern. We even won approval for our microphone from the Federal Highway Administration. Things happen for a reason, and we don't always know why until later. Well, this issue of legality led us to a new paradigm, a new and better way of approaching head-worn devices. We'll talk more about this better way in a moment. This patent is a more advanced ear hook boom microphone with a novel non-fixed speaker attachment. Notice this driver's right ear canal is completely covered. Now, you don't just take an ordinary headset and move the speaker away from the ear. All ear-hanging devices rely on the speaker or earplug to make contact with the ear in order to hold the device on and in place. Making present style headsets with speakers that sit off of the ear would dramatically alter the fit and balance of the device, making them extremely flimsy. Don't pay much attention to the look of these black demonstration prototypes. Our finished product will be a whole lot better looking. Cosmetically attractive, if you will. This patent also gives us the ability to convert this ear-hanging headset into a more rugged and secure apparatus by removing the top half of the ear hook and replacing it with a headband. You've just seen a brief summation of our intellectual property, our patents. Now let's look at some other important advantages to having head-worn devices which utilize our patented features. Headsets that are offered today give no room and no consideration whatsoever to those who wear hearing aids. Aids that go into the ear don't allow earbuds or similar devices. Against-the-ear speakers often create a loud squeal when placed against the aid. When you experience the freedom of not having your ears completely covered, you enjoy a comfort that is unparalleled in headset communications. Our style headset gives you a choice. I challenge you to find another that does. If you want privacy when someone next to you may be listening, simply move the speaker in against your ear and turn down the volume. Again, that's freedom. Our speaker is reversible. Our products can be worn on either ear. That's flexibility. If you want privacy when someone next to you may be listening, simply move the speaker in against your ear and turn the volume down. Truckers and heavy vehicle operators are telling us they need a wireless hands-free mic, and they sure can't wait to get one. There are more than 4 million commercial truck drivers on our nation's roads every business day, and the majority of them use CB radios. There are plenty of heavy equipment operators as well. Keeping up with technology, we've prototyped a wireless headset for our hands-free mic, and it works fabulous. Imagine no wires that tangle or get in the way. Here's just a sample of what our wireless product will look like. Well, this should get some attention. It not only feels good, it looks great. Just imagine the future styles, shapes, and colors of non-fixed speaker devices. Maybe your company's logo will be right here someday. But right now, it's a MicMaster, baby. The semiconductor components that will allow us to make this adapter wireless are readily available from companies that specialize in wireless connectivity. Radiotronics and Key Technologies are two companies we're developing a relationship with. These companies are expert in the field of wireless communications and very capable of integrating wireless into our products. Keytech's clients include Johns Hopkins, American Whirlpool, Black & Decker, and Fisher Scientific. Medical development is a specialty at Keytech. Their electrical engineering is top shelf. They are expert in short-range wireless to include complete circuit design and testing. We can make existing head-worn products better. What's currently being sold are popcorn-type head-worn products that require you to have a speaker plugged into the ear canal or pressed directly against the ear. We've teamed up with two York, Pennsylvania computer modeling experts, Justin Wagner and Robert Dragoo. Their drafting work is helping communicate the state-of-the-art appearance of our novel concepts. Vision is a key element, and they're doing a fine job illustrating it. I can't wait to show you more. Suppliers are offering no alternative for speaker placement, just the same two choices in different colors and textures. Again, they're creative with their shapes, but they all do the same thing: plug into or press against the ear. What's next in head-worn product design? I'm talking headsets, stereo earphones, and MP3 players. You're about to see. Take a close look at the improvements we're proposing. We're about to make a lot of products a lot better. Our patents were a ton of work. The patent office wanted to whittle down our claims. We stood our ground, and as a result, we don't need anyone's permission to design our unique ideas into head-worn products. Quite the contrary for those wishing to upgrade their existing product lines. What you're about to see is an expanded look at the potential of our patents and their effect with the future design of communication products. The application of our patents on these and other products will be substantial and long-lasting. I can't stress it loud enough. When consumers experience our applied techniques for head-worn products, they'll forget all about what they're now using. Consolidating the number of external parts connected to a product while expanding functionality, that's progress. Okay, check out our progress in MP3 player and stereo headphones. Why hold an MP3 player or have to place it in your pocket? Simply put it on and eliminate the dangling wires from the earplugs. Oh yeah, no speakers crammed in your ears with our setup. The full text of this article, published by etexpo.com, can be seen at the web address listed here. The U.S. market is predicting a staggering 50% growth for MP3 devices. Currently, 23% of U.S. homes own some type of portable digital audio player. Portable digital players are dominating all other electronic device shipments, accounting for 61% in 2005. It's being reported that the worldwide market for MP3 players is expected to grow to $44 billion by 2007. There are new concerns arising with having a speaker plugged into your ear. Apple Computer is now busy reacting to lawsuits stemming from their iPod digital audio players. This is a potentially explosive issue anyone manufacturing headphones should be keeping a close eye on. We certainly are. Consumers are experiencing hearing loss and other related hearing problems from the speakers placed directly inside of the ear canal. I believe this is potentially a worldwide problem just beginning to surface. Wearing our non-fixed speaker product is purely enjoyable. I haven't heard many use those words to describe what they're presently wearing. We're looking for assistance taking control of this aircraft carrier of potential. We can launch squadrons of products, from wired headsets to wireless headsets, to MP3 players stereo compatible, to wired or wireless stereo earphones, even an AM/FM radio unit. We have plenty to offer the consumer product industry. Whether it's the sale or license of our intellectual property, acquiring the ramp-up capital to make and introduce each idea or investment in our company through the sale of privately held common stock. We're doing all the above. The sky's the limit, and we're shooting for the stars. Big-name companies aren't abandoning what they're now offering just to sell something better. They're locked into commitments with what they're now making and busy doing what they do. When we start winning their customers, they'll notice. In the meantime, we're moving forward. Our patents are more than new ways of improving products. They're ideas that'll remold and retool industries. A statement of information for investors is available. My contact information is next. I look forward to hearing from you.